All right, we're back again. Been having some issues with trying to get videos to upload and learning the process and whatever it may be. But anyways, gotta hurry it up. Trying some different settings. It looks like it was torn on this side. Nope, this isn't even the box. Rookie mistake. Rookie mistake. There's the box, sealed. They don't always use the same tape. That box I did yesterday. Can't get the video to upload. Get it open here. Get the junk out of the way. Paperwork. Ooh, spilling notes. Put those back on the bottom. Alright, what do we get here? Bulk vintage, looks like some larger size notes. Western Bank, Springfield, Massachusetts. It's a nice note. 1907 Public Air, no comments. Tennessee Farmers and Merchants Bank in 35, that's a nice note. Arkansas, Little Rock, Treasury note, very popular. El Paso, Texas, nice signatures and really nice note, 35. Grand Island, Nebraska, rust spot. It is what it is. VG10 with SIGs though. I mean, that's what they call a real survivor note. Boston and a VF35, no comments. Danville, Illinois, 50. 30, PMG 35. Salisbury, Maryland. These have really nice vignettes with really nice overprints, so they're real popular notes. I bought this as a denom set with the serial number 50 on all the notes. So there was the 5, the 3, here's the 2, and then the 1. All nice AU grades. Really tough to get EPQ on these notes just because of how they were trimmed when they were issued, how they were stored over the last 100 years. Just a nice problem-free Fine 12 gold certificate. Here's a white whale EPQ on a black eagle, really tough. Really nice, original looking. San Francisco, California, VF25. Okay. North Africa 5, VF35 EPQ, nice note. Wahoo, Nebraska, PMG 58, flat. I think they're tough on this note. I graded this note uncirculated. It has a nice original look too, so it is what it is. What do you do? Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, VF20, National Bank note. Wow, here we go. FR 1600, which is 1928, $1 silver cert, 65 Q. 1928A and XF40. I don't normally make 40, so we're probably gonna review that note in my light and see what kind of mistakes were made, especially being in the same serial number range, 64 to 40. That's kind of the telltale. Here's a 66, really nice note. 50 EPQ, 63 EPQ. These are 28As, so 63 or 28B, slightly better in gem. FRBN 35 EPQ, nice original note. 35As and 65, both TC block. I believe I graded both of these notes 66s, but it is what it is. Take your wins, take your losses. There's a 50C star and 64. That's cool. No, Boston. Here's one in 65. These notes tend to get up there when you get into gem grades. Couple $100 usually. If it's a more common district like Chicago, it wouldn't be that much. Here's a fun note. This is a new back. 1934C. They had two different reverse plates. They have a new back and an old back. So the difference lies in new back. There's a porch on the White House and some extra shrubbery, and an old back doesn't have that. So a couple of new back stars. 34A star. Another 34A star. And another 34C wide star on a 10. Chicago. Wowzers. There's a monster. 34C wide star 64 EPQ. Sweet. That's probably, without looking it up, $500 plus note. Great. Here's a light green seal and 58 flat. Not sure what they seen, but I don't normally make 58 flats, but hey, we take it. It's still a very collectible note. I'll look at it over here in the big light, and yeah, I don't know. Might have to scrutinize on that one later. There's a Minneapolis 10 and 65. That's a great note. Here's one in 64. Dallas 50 and 35. Another great note. Very collectible. Boom. That's a great note. 57B. Last year for the $10 silver cert. 67 EPQ. Note retails $700. And then a lonely 55. And a 40. And a 1704 star and PMG 30. Nice bright blue star. Has a good look to it. Here's a 1702 and 58 with a star. That's a nice note. $5 silver certificate, 34D, 65Q. 34D, 65Q. Another one, SA block, 65Q. 66, yeah. 34D, 1654. It's a wide one, so it's the more common variety. 58 EPQ. Have to look at that one later too. Here's a narrow, much tougher variety. Narrow VA block, 64 EPQ. Wide 2 UA block in 66. That's a really tough note. Another wide 1 in 65. 34C in 65. Another 34D in 65. Very close serials here. As a matter of fact, right there it is. The CD 331035 and 1034. I just found a changeover pair in my own submission. That's awesome. I'm gonna set those aside. 5-9. I might have to get the paperwork out to make sure. Yeah. 533105A and 533105-9A. There's another changeover pair, 34D to 34C. So back-to-back changeover pairs in that little run. I'm wondering if I didn't buy them as changeover pairs and they look at my paperwork quick. Sometimes they miss that. I don't normally miss that. There is a changeover pair in this submission. They 100% missed the changeover pair, and I put it on the submission. So, just sending notes back. That's what we do. There's a 637 NA block, mule backplate, tougher note, 34C. $34C star, good looking note. Mule 637 backplate, PMG 64, that's a great note. Wide star in 64, awesome. Super tough note, 34B KA block, one of the better blocks for 34B. 34B LA block, a little bit more common. 34A and 4, 34A and 6, nice note. 34A and 5, 65, 66, 65. Lots of great grades here, lots of nice collector notes. A lot of star notes with the right look. Nice original looking paper. 34A and 55Q. Here's a mule in 65. Another mule in 65 EA block. EA is slightly better for mule, if I remember right. It might be a non-mule EA block. Sometimes I get those confused. It's hard to remember them all. Legal tender notes. Here's a changeover pair. Now they didn't EPQ these. They have a slight bit of paper toning on the left side from most likely somebody's fingerprints, but it is what it is, guys. You know, sometimes you just take your wins. But this is changeover pair from 28C to 28D. So it's just glad that they exist. $53A star and 65. Lots of great sellable notes here. 53A star and 64. $1509 and 5. That's a tough note. 15. This is normally how 1509s come. Just really thin margins on the top and the bottom, or one left or one right side. 28G and 65, 28F and 45, 28F star and 55. That's a great note. 28A BA block. It's the key to the series, or yeah, for 28A. But 63Q, tough note. 28 plain. 64Q. DA mule 65. 34D and star and 58 EPQ. 1532 star and 55. Hawaii and 40. This was a PCGS 35 before, and I really liked it for a 40. Classic threefold look. There's a YB block and 53 PQ, a little bit better note, and boom. South Omaha, Nebraska, one of the greatest titles ever. Livestock, National Bank of South Omaha, 64 EPQ. Super fresh note, came out of a old collection in Colorado. And that's it, guys.